This is
wonderful. Honey,
yes.
the kids are out of school tomorrow.
Yes. Lot to choose from.
Kids, you want steak, hamburgers, hot dogs, or lobster?
Was it gonna snow again?
Yeah.
No!
And
Y'all want pinto beans or cocoa pebbles? Russian croutons.
You're going back to school, right? Well, at least we know it can't get much worse.